Rolled products like sheet, plate, and foil make up almost 50% of all aluminum alloys. Sheets are less than 6 mm thick, plates are 6 mm or thicker, and foils are uniformly 0.20 mm or less. The packaging industry primarily consumes sheets and foils to produce beverage cans, containers, and wraps. Sheets are also used in construction, transport, and marine applications. Plates are essential for airframes, military vehicles, bridges, and vessels. Foil also finds uses in electrical equipment, insulation, and lithographic plates. Although any aluminum alloy can be rolled to sheet, the most used are from series 1000, 3000, and 5000, which are work-hardening alloys. Other series are specific to automotive and aerospace applications. This figure shows some typical alloys used for specific end-use applications. While about 300 wrought aluminum alloys exist, but 80% of applications rely on just 30 of these alloys, emphasizing their versatility and importance. The production of rolled products starts with the direct chill, DC, ingot casting, with sizes varying based on multiple factors, including capacity and required volume. Post-casting, ingots undergo hot rolling down to thinner strips of 30 to 10 mm thickness through a reversible rolling mill, involving 9 to 25 passes. The hot-rolled strips are managed in a coiled format for cold rolling or further processed in tandem mills consisting of multiple stands. Cold rolling reduces thickness to 15 to 20 mils, and when producing ultra-thin packaging foils, double re-rolling is used, necessitating intermediate annealing. Continuous strip casting methods are increasingly adopted for producing less alloyed sheet products. The hot metal is poured between rotating cylinders to produce a thick sheet, 10 to 20 mm, which is then immediately rolled in a tandem mill. This figure shows a typical temperature/time schedule for the production of foil. The required properties of rolled aluminum, such as microstructure and mechanical characteristics, are defined by their specific applications and need tailored rolling processes for optimal results. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please like, comment, and subscribe.